Salut tout le monde, j'espère que vous allez bien. Donc aujourd'hui on se retrouve pour une nouvelle vidéo qui sera un gameplay et à la fin un pack opening. Voilà, je vous laisse avec la suite. Bye.
We got the power, we got the good life, we are the greatest. We got the power, we got the good life, we are the greatest. We got the power, we got the good life, we are the greatest. We do it raw style. We got the power, we got the good life, we are the greatest. Yeah, we do it raw style. We do it raw, 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 raw style. We got the power, we got the good life, we are the greatest. We got the power, we got the good life, we are the greatest. We got the power, we got the good life, we are the greatest. We do it raw style. We got the power, we got the good life, we are the greatest. Yeah, we do it raw style. We do it. We do it.
Get my mark, hey! Get my mark! Get my mark, hey! Hey! Get my mark! Don't mess with my crew! Whoa! Whoa! I'm looking at you! You looking at me? Hey! Talk is cheap! I'm walking here! Get out of here! I'm the boss of bosses! Whoa! 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 Let's settle this beef! I'm walking cheap! I smell a rat!
Let's do this. Rock don't stop, take the L. The box goes boom, gotta flex. Move those feet to the boombox beat. Game on. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Let's settle this beef! I smell a rat! You looking at me?
Move those feet to the boombox beat. Let's go. Time to move to the boombox groove.
Don't mess with me! Don't mess with my crew!
Move those feet to the boombox beat. To the boom, to the boom, to the boombox beat. Move those feet to the boombox beat. I'm ballin'.
No more baseball.
Nice! Rat! Get my mark! Rat! Nice! Rat! Let's do this!
Broken beyond repair. Broken beyond repair. Broken. Oh no!
Nice piece of work!
Buenas noches.
Rat! Nice! Rat! Get my mark! Rat! Nice! Rat! Get my mark!
la fin de cette vidéo. J'espère qu'elle vous aura plu. N'hésitez pas à vous abonner, à activer la cloche, à liker et commenter. Ça fait toujours plaisir. S'il vous plaît, allez partager un maximum cette vidéo. Allez me suivre sur mes réseaux sociaux qui sont en barre d'infos. Et j'ai créé en compagnie de Philo RP un Discord justement pour vous. Allez checker s'il vous plaît. Ciao tout le monde!